Sinong dadating? Si Pope. Gusto ko tawagan. Pope, umuwi ka na. Alam mo ba kung ilang asanto ng Katoliko? 35,000. All the years. Sa Italy, marami sila. Ang Pilipino, mayroon rin. Magdasal ka na sa isang Diyos, magdasal ka ba dito sa mga santong iba? Kinain ni Eve. Tapos si Eve, ginising si Adam, siguro katatapos lang, kumain ka rin. So kinain ni Adam. Then malice was born. Who is this stupid God? Stupido talaga itong putang kung ganun. You created something perfect, and then you think of an event that would tempt and destroy the quality of your work. How can you rationalize a God? Maniwala, ikaw,